Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Leo and welcome to Tecnologiaparami, a channel where we review some products or some technology products in English and in Spanish. Xiaomi has launched several products and we in the channel already made a video about the Xiaomi Mi 2K gaming monitor 27 inches and it's amazing. Please go to the video and check it out because it's a really great monitor. Today we're going to review the Mi Smart Air Fryer 3.5L. And here in Tecnologiaparami, we put it in the test for some dishes like nuggets, chicken, hamburgers, even tequeños that are some Venezuelan dishes, and of course cookies. So stay in this video because it's going to be a very delicious review. The unboxing will be something super simple to do, and that's because in the box you'll find the product and the manuals. That's it. It comes protected with a cover and from now on you can see an elegant and futuristic design. All you need is to connect it to the power supply and it's ready to use. Inside the tray you will find a rack that you can use according to the recipe you want to prepare. You will also find the manual in many languages and also the QR code to download the application and link it with your smartphone, and I really recommend this and you know why in a while. Even if you don't link it, you can change the language from the setting panel, which is very intuitive and easy to use. From the moment you start it for the first time, the air fryer will turn on the Wi-Fi receiver waiting for you to make the pairing with your phone, of course using the app Mi Home or Xiaomi Home. The design is very striking and it's not precisely because of the complicated exterior design, but because of the simplicity and minimalism that Xiaomi uses to do in all its devices. I feel like it gives it a futuristic, innovative touch. This design translates to a surface occupied only by the power button, the OLED screen and the tray. And do not underestimate the air fryer for its minimalist design because it can go from 40 degrees Celsius up to 200 degrees, and that's really impressive. To increase the durability of the tray, it has a double layer of non-stick coating and works perfectly, and you can also use the included rack for certain dishes. The operation of the Xiaomi Air Fryer is very simple to do. You only need to turn it on and can be done manually or by choosing one of the available options. Within these options you can set the amount of food that you are introducing, such as with French fryers that you can fill to the top or only half of the tray. The result is crispy and at the same time very soft chips. The Xiaomi Home or Mi Home app is available in Android or iOS, which means any phone out there, and it's really easy to set up. I strongly recommend you to download the app and use it because you can find up to 100 different recipes controlled by voice using the Google Assistant or even Alexa, which is quite fun and even efficient, since if you have dirty hands or are far away from the air fryer, you can give the voice command and it's perfectly recognized. Okay Google, turn on the air fryer.
Sure, turning Mi Smart Air Fryer on.
To pause it, it is not necessary to press the OLED screen, since when you remove the tray, the process automatically and safely pauses. Also, I really love it that it's not noisy. On the contrary, it remains very serene even when you have it at its maximum temperature, that it's, as I said, 200 degrees for a good period of time, as has been our case where we have made many recipes for this video. What kind of things can you do with this amazing air fryer from Xiaomi? Well, a lot of dishes. Remember that in the app, I know I said it before, you will find 100 recipes that you can personalize: cheesecakes, burgers, meat, chicken, I don't know, a lot of things, whatever you can imagine, or you can add some of your own recipes and put some stuffs like if you need to preheating process. For this video we decided to make a chicken using the manual mode, preloaded in the air fryer, and the texture is excellent and there is nothing raw internally and I love it. You can see it by yourself. In the middle of the process, the air fryer will turn on a beep calling you to shake the food, and that's great because for me, I forgot almost everything I do in the kitchen. We also made some delicious vanilla cookies following all the instructions in the app and the preloaded mode, and it's great. We wanted to test how it behaves with sweet desserts, and the results again is great. And speaking about recipes, remember that you can add your own recipes including the preheat, temperature and the functional time. Another outstanding function is to be able to program the ignition and operation of the air fryer up to 24 hours in advance. And that is so cool. In conclusion, I have to say that this Xiaomi Mi Smart Air Fryer 3.5 will be my new favorite one in the kitchen because it will help us to eat healthier and in a more practical way, since even the cleaning is very simple to do. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubt, any question, any suggestion, please leave it in the comments below. And of course, if you want to help us, you can do it following us in Instagram and TikTok. My name is Leo and I see you next time. Bye bye.